at the Excel Exhibition Centre here in East London, just off the Docklands. How the Britishers can organise something so poorly, but there's no hospitality from the people who were exhibiting. China, I've been to multiple exhibitions in China. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm here at the Excel Exhibition Centre here in East London, just off the Docklands, and I didn't want to make any videos inside because it's just the way that it's organised, and it's just simply mind-boggling how the Britishers can organise something so poorly. There's a time in the past when they ruled half of the world, and now here we are, and it's just the way it's organised. I walk in there and the way I'm being treated, you know, just basically there's no structure to it. You register, okay, cool, you walk in, but there's no hospitality from the people who were exhibiting. So the exhibitors who are there, the contractors, so on and so forth, they're just not willing to talk to you. I met this American lady and she was really sweet, very nice. She also gave me a book, and I'm going to make a separate video on the book later. But she was just so good in terms of the way that she spoke to me. She was very friendly, and it just the personable approach, whereas other people are just like, yeah, whatever, you're just wasting our time kind of mindset. And it was just, I wasn't really enjoying it, to be very honest. And let's talk about China. Now China, I've been to multiple exhibitions in China, and the latest one being the Shanghai Autoshow just this year alone, a couple of months back. Guys, the Chinese can organize an auto show. Bloody hell, like they can organize an auto show better than a business fucking show here in London. How sad is that? Seriously, how sad is that? A Shanghai Auto Show, which basically had a lot of Chinese companies, of course, Chinese electrical car companies, but they also had a lot of overseas companies, BMW, Mercedes, Audi, Volkswagen, all the German companies were there, and they were just much better than here. This is a business show. It's supposed to help businesses, small to medium-sized enterprises. I came here as a small to medium enterprise, helping my clients. I wanted to build a network, connect with different people, explore some opportunities, and guess what? I wasn't able to do so. It's just that there was not much available. And I'm not going to even talk about Canton Fair in Guangzhou, which happens twice a year. And if the Britishers can even run the show here in the UK to 5% of what the Canton Fair is, they would be doing exceptionally well. This is how horrible it is. See a lot of students, so that's good. Like, you know, a lot of young budding students are coming along. I suppose they could be our future leaders, and they will be our future leaders. Really good friend, Jusser Melanov, who I made multiple videos with back in Shanghai, also in Bali, Indonesia. And I was in China recently, as I mentioned in my other video, and made some videos with him when I was over in China as well. Jusser, this video is for you. This video is dedicated to you. We've been to so many events in Shanghai. We've been to a couple of events in Bali. Bro, I'm kind of missing you here, to be very honest, and I wish you were here. You would have seen how horribly the Britishers have organized an event here in the UK. But yeah, definitely, man, I'm looking forward to coming to China very soon, doing some more videos with you, where I'm sure, like, you know, we'll be able to create amazing content, because the facilities provided there are much better. Here is just a joke, to be honest. Right, so let's wrap up this horrible exhibition that I've just attended. In all honesty, one of the worst exhibitions that I've ever attended. People are rude, the exhibitors were extremely rude. Some of them are really good, but that's, I suppose, part of life. But unfortunately, a lot of people were very bad and only few were very good. It should be the other way around, but that is beyond my control. Overall, really didn't enjoy it, but the highlight was I received a book today from one of an amazing authors, and I'm going to make a separate video on that book later on. Is that an exhibition that I would want to attend in the future? I might, to be honest. From a purely networking perspective, next year I might attend one, maybe or maybe not. But in terms of would I have any high expectations, most definitely not. Also, the Britishers are people in general in the UK, I believe, not just the Britishers. I'm not generalizing one particular race here, but or nationality. I believe in general, people in the UK, especially in London, their sheer arrogance is something that's letting them down and not helping them grow their business or grow as a person. When you're walking down the city of London, be it Bank, St. Paul's, around that particular area where most of the offices are based, Liverpool Street is also one of them, you see all these men in suits walking with sheer arrogance, and you're like, guys, there's a reason why the British economy is not doing good. Yes, you might have ruled the world in the past half of the world, for example, or your cricket team might have been one of the best, or you might have invented that sport. But we all saw how shit show of a display of a performance your team had in this World Cup in 2023 in India just a couple of weeks back. And we all know in terms of how the economy is doing. Yes, it's a booming economy. Yes, UK is one of the best places to business. Yes, London is an ecosystem. Yes, London is a financial center. Yes, London competes with New York. Yes, London is amazing for sure with all the network and the infrastructure that London has to offer. But no, Londoners and British people and the people living in the UK, you have a long way to go when you want to compete with the likes of China, Southeast Asia such as Indonesia, Pakistan even. I just read in the news yesterday, China is building a maglev train that will have a speeds of up to 600 kilometers per hour. Now bear in mind, Beijing to Shanghai or Shanghai to Beijing is 1200 kilometers. 1200 kilometers is roughly about, give or take, 7 to 750 miles, 750-ish miles for the people living in the UK. 750 miles in 2 hours. The way to compete is innovation, hard work, dedication, perseverance, passion. Network is very important. Have a global network. Connect with as many people as possible.